Tired of typing out long messages on Discord? You just want to speak your message and be done with it. But here's the thing. There's no built-in voice message button on Discord for desktop. Frustrating, right? Well, here's the simple workaround that actually works. I'm going to show you how to record audio on your computer and then upload it to any Discord chat in just a few clicks. It's really straightforward once you know the steps. So now open up Discord and navigate to the channel where you want to send your voice message. It can be a direct message with a friend or any server channel you have access to. Just click on it so you're in the right place. All right, now look down at the message input bar. Go ahead and click that. A menu will pop up. What you want to do is select Upload a File. This opens your computer's file browser so you can pick the audio you want to send. But wait, you need an audio file first. So let's quickly record one. On Windows, you can use the voice recorder app that comes built into your computer. On a Mac, you'd use QuickTime Player. Just open it up, hit the record button, and speak your message. Keep it natural, like you're leaving a voicemail for a friend. Once you're done, stop the recording. The app will ask you to save the file. Give it a name you'll remember, like voice message or whatever works for you. Save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or your documents folder. Now, head back to Discord. You can either drag that audio file right into the chat window, or you can click the plus button again and browse to find it. Either way works. You'll see the file start to upload. Depending on the size of your recording, this might take a moment to process. Just let it do its thing. Once it's uploaded, you'll see a little box with your audio file in it. Before you send it, you can add an optional text caption above it if you want. Something like, "Hey, listen to this," or just leave it blank. Totally up to you. Now press Enter to send. And there it is. Your voice message appears in the chat as a playable audio file. Anyone in that channel can click on it and hear exactly what you said. Now, I should mention that this desktop workaround is really just for computers. If you're using Discord on your phone, it's actually much easier. Open the Discord mobile app and select the chat you want. Then tap the plus icon next to the text input bar. You'll see an option for voice message right there. Tap it, hold the big record button, speak, and release to send. The mobile app has native support, so no file uploading needed. So here's the big difference. On desktop, you're uploading a file you recorded separately. On mobile, you just record directly inside the app. Both work, but mobile is definitely smoother for quick messages. Let's talk about a couple of common problems you might run into. First, file size limits. Discord has a maximum upload size, which depends on whether you have a free account or a paid Nitro subscription. For free users, that limit is usually around 25 megabytes. That's plenty for a voice message. But if your recording is super long, you might need to keep it short or compress it. Second, unsupported formats. Discord works best with common audio formats like MP3, WAV, and M4A. The voice recorder app on Windows saves as M4A by default, which works perfectly. If you use something unusual, you might get an error. Stick with the standard formats and you'll be fine. So, there you have it. Now you can send voice messages on Discord desktop without any weird workarounds or third-party tools. Just record, upload, and send. It's fast, it's easy, and it beats typing every single time.